Annoyed with the DirectInput module DLL error causing your game to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. This DLL file is the legacy DirectInput library. It provides the essential API for applications to process input from joysticks, gamepads, and other game controllers on older versions of the Windows operating system. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for the DirectInput module DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the DirectInput module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Keep in mind that the DirectInput module DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining the DirectInput module. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got DirectX End-User Runtime working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.